Now say next question from exercise 7.1. Solve graphically first sub question. 2x plus y greater or equals to 2 and x minus y less or equals to 1. So in solution we first write the equation of lines from these inequations. So we write here equation of line. So we write here first line as AB, second line as CD. So equation of line AB from this inequation we write 2x plus y is equals to 2, and equation of line from this second inequation we write x minus y is equals to 1. So this first line we call line AB and this line x minus y equals to 1 we call line CD. So we consider here point on x-axis because both the lines not passing through the origin. So point on x-axis and here is point on y-axis. So point on x-axis we consider here A, here point B, here point C and here point D. Now we know that on x-axis y coordinate is 0, on y-axis x coordinate is 0. So from this we calculate the x coordinate of this point A and C. Now when y equals to 0, from this equation when y is 0 then we get 2x equals to 2. That means 2x is equals to 2 implies x equals to 1. So we write here coordinate of A as 1 0. Now we have to find the coordinate of point B. Here y is 0. Here x is 0. We have to find the value of y coordinate. So when x is 0, so this first term gets 0. So we get y equals to 2. So we write coordinate of point B as 0, 2. Similarly, for line CD and for the coordinate of point C, here this point C on x-axis, so we consider y coordinate 0. So this second term is 0. So x equals to 1. So coordinate of point C are 1 0. Now we have to find the coordinate of point D. Now this point D on y-axis x coordinate is 0. So this x value of x is 0. That means minus y is equals to 1. So from this we write y equals to minus 1. So we coordinate of point D get 0 minus 1. Now we know the two points coordinate on line AB and 2 points coordinate on line CD. So we first observe the greatest value. Here greatest value is 2. So we consider here scale as 1 centimeter is equals to 1 unit on both axes. So first we plot point A 1 0. So this point A is on x-axis. So here is point A whose coordinate is 1 0 because on x-axis y coordinate is 0. This point is on y-axis. So 0 2. So this point B is here 0 2. Now we have to draw a line passing through the 2 points A and B. So we draw this line. Now we have to plot point C and D. Point C on x-axis. So point A and point C at same position. So C and A have same coordinate. Now we have to plot this point at 0 minus 1. So 0 minus 1. So y coordinate is minus 1. So point B is here. So I write here coordinate of point D as 0 minus 1. And line pass through these 2 points. So we write this at C of 1 0. So we require the point. We require line pass through these 2 points. Now we have to shaded the feasible region, that is graphical solution. So first we check the inequations, and from that inequation we check if the point satisfy that condition. Here we check point origin. So first inequation is for graphical solution, that is for shading the graph. We check this first inequality with the help of this origin. So we check first inequality, x plus y greater or equal to, that means we have to check 2x plus y strictly greater than 2, 2x plus y equals to 2. So any one condition satisfied, then we say that point belongs to that solution set. So we write here value of x as 0, value of y as 0, so 0 plus 0 equals to 0. So we know that 0 is not greater than 2, 0 is not greater than 2, and 0 not equals to 2. That means this point do not satisfy this first inequality. So from this we say that this origin not included in the solution. So we mark opposite to it. So we mark in upper side. Now we have to check for this second inequality, which is x minus y less or equals to 1. So from this we have two conditions, x minus y equals to 1 and x minus y strictly less than 1, or strictly less than 1. So we again check for the origin. So we replace this value of x by 0, value of y by 0. So 0 minus 0 equals to 0. So we know that 0 not equals to 1, but second condition is satisfied, 0 is less than 1. That means origin is above this line CD. So we mark above the line. That means that origin is included in the solution. So we mark in upper side. Now if you observe, this region is the common region. So this region is the common region. So in this way, this shaded region is the graphical solution for these two inequations. So we write in answer, the solution set of given system of inequalities is shaded in the graph. So this shaded portion is the solution for this given system of inequalities. Now second sub question, x minus y less or equals to 2 and x plus 2y less or equals to 8. So in solution, first we draw this table for our convenience for plotting the lines. So from this we write equation of line from this first inequation, and we call that equation as line AB. So x minus y is equals to 2 is the first equation. Then second equation is x plus 2y is equals to 8. So this we first consider point on x-axis. On x-axis y coordinate is 0. So we replace the value of y as 0. So we get here x minus 0, that is x. So we get here x is equals to 2, or you can simplify here. We replace the value of y by 0. So x minus 0 is x, that means x equals to 2. So we write here x equals to 2. Then here for point B, we write here value of x as 0. So 0 minus y equals to 2, that means y is equals to minus 2. So we get the coordinate of point B as 0 minus 2. Now we have to write the coordinate for the point C and D. So we write here directly, if we replace the value of y as 0, so we get x equals to 8. So coordinate of point C we get 8 0. Now when we replace the value of x as 0, so we get 2y equals to 8. That means y is equals to 4. So in this way we get 2 points on line AB and on line CD. So we consider here greatest point first. Here greatest point is 8. So we have to check, we have to take a scale. 1 centimeter is equal to 2 units. You can take 1 centimeter equals to 1 unit also. So we consider here 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, minus 2, minus 4, minus 6, minus 8, minus 10. Here 2, 4, 6, 8. And here minus 2, minus 4, minus 6, minus 8. Now we have to draw a line passing through these 2 points. So first we plot these 2 points. A is on x-axis. So this point is here. So A of 2, 0. Point B on y-axis. Coordinates are 0, minus 2. So point B is here. Similarly, we draw a line passing through these 2 points C and B. So we take point C on x-axis whose coordinate is 8, 0, and point B on this y-axis whose coordinate is 0, 4. So we draw a line passing through this point C and D. So this is line CD. Equation of this line CD is x plus 2y is equal to 8. Now we have to find the solution for this. So we check for this origin. If the origin satisfies the given inequation, then we mark towards that origin. Otherwise, opposite to origin. So when we substitute x equals to 0, y equals to 0 in this inequation, so we get 0 minus 0, 0. So 0 less than 2, condition is satisfied. So mark towards this origin. So we mark only 3 arrows because we required shaded region. So first we shaded by 3 arrows. Then we check second inequation. Second inequation x plus 2y, that is 0 plus 0. 0 plus 0 is 0. So here 0 is less than 8. Again condition is satisfied. So for this also we mark towards this origin. That means this is common region. So we shaded this common region. So we write here the solution set of given system of inequation is shaded in the graph. So in this way we have to solve given inequations.